When we think about traditional herbal medicine, the mind often travels to China, with its long history of traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM. Yet, just across the sea, Japan has cultivated its own unique adaptation of these herbal healing practices. This system is called Kampo Medicine, a time-honored approach that blends the classical principles of Chinese herbal therapy with Japan's cultural sensibilities, dietary habits, and ways of life. Today, Kampo Medicine remains a cornerstone of Japan's healthcare system, recognized not just as an alternative remedy but as a formally integrated part of modern medical practice. First, let's know the country you're watching this video. Also like, comment and share so others can see. But what exactly is Kampo Medicine, and why does it continue to play such an important role in supporting digestion, liver health, and immunity? To understand this, we need to look at its fascinating history, its core principles, and the way it has been refined over centuries to fit Japanese life. The roots of Kampo medicine stretch back over 1,000 years. During the 5th and 6th centuries, medical knowledge from China flowed into Japan alongside Buddhism, philosophy, and writing. Chinese physicians had already been practicing herbal therapy based on balancing the body's vital energy, or qi, along with the principles of yin and yang and the 5 elements. Japanese scholars and doctors carefully studied these teachings and gradually adapted them, selecting herbs that work well in their own climate and making adjustments to suit Japanese dietary traditions and cultural attitudes toward health. By the Edo period, which spanned from the 17th to the 19th century, Kampo medicine had become firmly established. Unlike TCM, which often relied on a broad range of diagnostic methods including astrology, divination, or pulse reading with multiple layers, Japanese physicians tended to simplify the practice. They place a greater emphasis on the patient's overall condition, their physical constitution, and visible symptoms rather than abstract philosophical theories. This practical, straightforward approach helped Kampo medicine gain wide acceptance among ordinary people in Japan. One of the most unique aspects of Kampo is how it selectively embraced Chinese herbal formulas. Instead of adopting the entire body of Chinese medical literature, Japanese practitioners carefully tested and narrowed down the formulas, retaining only those proven to be effective through centuries of clinical practice. In fact, the official Kampo pharmacopoeia today contains just over 200 herbal formulas, each standardized, clearly defined, and tested. This makes Kampo not only traditional, but also highly structured and reliable compared to many folk medicines. In modern Japan, Kampo has a special place. Unlike in many countries where herbal remedies remain on the fringes, Kampo is fully integrated into the healthcare system. Doctors in Japan can prescribe Kampo formulas alongside Western pharmaceuticals, and these herbal prescriptions are even covered by national health insurance. This blend of ancient and modern medicine shows Japan's respect for tradition while ensuring safety and accessibility for its people. Now let's look at the benefits that Kampo medicine is most celebrated for, particularly in the areas of digestion, liver health, and immunity. Digestive health is a central focus of Kampo. Many Kampo formulas are designed to support the stomach and intestines, reflecting the Japanese belief that a well-functioning digestive system is a foundation of overall vitality. For instance, formulas such as Rikkenshito are prescribed for conditions like chronic indigestion, nausea, or loss of appetite. These herbal blends work gently, enhancing the body's own ability to process food, absorb nutrients, and regulate gut function. By improving digestion, Kampo supports not only physical energy but also emotional balance. Since in both TCM and Kampo, the gut is seen as deeply linked to mental well-being. When it comes to the liver, Kampo recognizes its crucial role in filtering toxins, regulating blood, and maintaining balance in the body. Certain formulas, such as Shosaikou, are renowned for protecting liver function, especially in people dealing with chronic liver issues. These herbal combinations often include ingredients like licorice root, bupleurum, and ginger, which work together to reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and restore balance. In fact, Shosaikou has been studied in modern clinical research with potential benefits in managing hepatitis and other liver conditions. This is a prime example of how Kampo bridges the wisdom of the past with the validation of modern science. Immunity is another key area where Kampo shines. Traditional formulas are designed not just to attack illness, but to strengthen the body's natural defenses. Herbal blends may include ginseng, astragalus, and other roots known for enhancing resilience and vitality. For centuries, Japanese people have turned to Kampo remedies during the changing seasons, when colds, fatigue, or weakened immunity are common. By gently boosting the body's resistance, Kampo medicine works preventively, aligning with a holistic principle that true health means maintaining balance and preventing disease before it takes root. What makes Kampo so unique is the personalized nature of its treatment. Two patients with the same Western diagnosis, say, digestive upset, might receive entirely different Kampo formulas depending on their body constitution, age, lifestyle, and overall energy balance. This individualized care reflects a deep respect for the uniqueness of each person, something often missing in the one-size-fits-all approach of modern pharmaceuticals. Culturally, Kampo is also tied to the Japanese way of life. Japan has long emphasized seasonal eating, balance in diet, and harmony with nature. Kampo medicine fits seamlessly into this worldview, encouraging people to live in rhythm with natural cycles and to see health as a dynamic balance rather than just the absence of disease. Today, as more people around the world seek natural remedies and holistic approaches, Kampo medicine is attracting international attention. Its integration into Japan's mainstream healthcare system makes it a model for how traditional knowledge can coexist with modern medicine, offering the best of both worlds. For people struggling with digestive problems, liver concerns, or lowered immunity, Kampo offers gentle, time-tested support rooted in both tradition and evidence. In conclusion, Kampo Medicine is far more than a relic of the past. It is a living tradition that continues to evolve, adapt, and prove its relevance in today's world. Rooted in profound wisdom of traditional Chinese medicine, yet uniquely shaped by Japanese culture and lifestyle, it reminds us that health is not just about treating illness, but about nurturing balance, resilience, and harmony within the body. So the next time you think of herbal medicine, remember that beyond the borders of China, Japan has crafted its own powerful and refined tradition, one that continues to heal, protect, and inspire. Follow our social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more natural and holistic health tips and herbal remedies you would like to know. Thrive with nature.